Hi guys, I'm back. It's been, I think, a day at least since the last video, and after I challenged myself of making sure I had my desk clear, guess what? Ta-da! Well, obviously it's not clear, but I have everything that belongs in my craft room up here now. So the things I usually have at my fingertips at my desk are now on my desk, which is nice. I'm still kind of reorganizing this and figuring out if that's really what I want. I might have those over to the right or left, with all the stamp stuff. Maybe use that for something else. Haven't decided yet. I also have to go through that and those two things and clean that up. But this is new. I printed that and I know I want that on here, and I want that. My little mouse pickup. I have a glue press now. Got my trimmer, I got my glass mat, I got my recording stand all set up. My light with my hole in my ceiling. It's just bad plaster. But anyway, so that's where we're at as of today. I did start sorting, or I sorted everything that was on my desk, and I have everything kind of on the floor in piles of how I want to sort it. I have specific Christmas, specific Easter, specific Halloween, and then I did winter only, just because we do have big winter. We're in Minnesota, so winter is kind of like its own season. It is a season. But like I have plenty of winter stuff. And then I have like outdoors themed things. So like things with trees, things about swimming, things about hiking, that kind of thing. I started a creature pile. So any ephemera, acrylic, wood, veneer, chipboard that is an animal. I also did start a pile for cats and dogs, and I just found some more paw prints from Lovely, some assemblage required, and then I found this random high five wood veneer. This is Color Cast Designs. But so I have those categories, and then I have just florals, I have labels, I have tickets, I have frames, I have like categories like that. And then I also have some random object ones like that I tend to either have a lot to scrapbook with, or I feel like come a lot in scrapbooking things, like bicycles, sunglasses or glasses, clothing items, butterflies. So those are the things we're working with. But I think I made the decision that all those mixed media things are going to come to the shelf. So I just stacked all my embossing powders together, and then I'm going to stack the mixed media there, and then I'm going to put the paint up here that's in that other crate basket thing I have. And then I think because I also started sorting acrylics, wood veneer pieces, and then I have like just word phrases. I have words or bubbles or just ephemera pieces. Like there's going to be an objects. I think I might just have ephemera in general. I don't know if I'll sort it by color. I haven't decided that yet. But I know I have like words and phrases and then like titles, and I have a title drawer in this thing. So I think I'm going to add those to that. And then I'll put all my acrylic pieces up there, and then I'll leave the sequins up there as well, because that, at least it's pretty, I can see it, it's not hiding at least, and that stuff I know I truly want to keep working at on getting used. So I think that's what we'll do with that. So I also have, and this might be stupid, I don't know if other people do, I have this whole basket here of a bunch of ephemera that's just been loose. Like they're either leftover from a kit or a page kit that I received, or I got them in a mystery box or something like that I think I'm gonna break up. Like I'm going, like especially like these chipboards, like I did not get this collection, but there's a lot of good elements in here. And oh yeah, I have some more categories. I have a books reading school like category. I have a sports category. I have a banners banners and like a banners category, different kinds of banners. A food category, because like this one has measuring cups and kitchen. I have certain, like, obviously nature, so like I was gonna do also like stars and hearts separately, because a lot of times I will only want to add one or the other. I also have like starbursts. I was gonna do a rainbow category, but right now they're in nature. Yeah, and I could probably break down other ephemera even more than that. Oh, I have a coffee category, coffee cups category, so because I seem to there's always coffee cups and everything. And then when you're documenting that, like, perfect cup of coffee or coffee with friends, you always want to find those cups of coffee, and you can never find them. I'm trying to think of what else. But yeah, lots of categories like that. So I would love to hear if that's something you like to do with your stuff or not, your ephemera and your embellishments. But I'm going to start sorting through, and like I have fall specifically, so like anything that says fall favorites, fall vibes, that goes in there. This butterfly can be used for any season. These flowers can be used for any season, but there's certain things that definitely are like, okay, I'm probably only gonna use that for fall. So but yeah, that is my plan, because these are not adhesive back, so I will just pop them out, sort them. I have a tag section, like I said, animal section, or a category, a lot of categories, a lot of them down there. So I'm actually going to start writing them down, because then I can kind of divide and conquer. But I'm going to move that mixed media. I'm going to stack my paint bottles and figure out how many I have, and then I can still 3D print something for storing those. And then I can figure out if I just want to buy something, or if I want to 3D print something or use something that I already have for all my embellishments up here. Yeah, that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. I'm trying to, because I would like it very clean and organized, instead of like the mishmash of organization I had before, which wasn't horrible, but I'd like it to be a little bit better. So then I will either get rid of or try to sell some of my organization that I had. But that's the plan. All right. So that is what I'm doing this episode of this organization journey. I'll do some fast forwarding on. I mean, do you guys want to see that stuff? That's what I want to know. I don't know if you do. You kind of, I don't know if you want to see me actually like taking it apart, but I will definitely show you everything after it's separated and that kind of thing. So you can see me put it away. Maybe some packing ASMR. Just kidding. I don't have any fancy equipment for that. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. This is a little short one. I will have some updates when I have this stuff sorted better and that stuff gone through better and decisions made. And yeah, thank you. See you next time. Bye.